Welcome to another tutorial on streamlining patient care management by creating and customizing care plans. You'll see how to efficiently set up care plans tailored to individual patient needs to improve health outcomes. Click Patient to access the patient management area from the side menu. Click Patients to view the list of all registered patients. Now let's select a patient to write a care plan. The Care Plan menu is located below the billing history in the patient chart. Click New Care Plan to start creating. Add a care plan name to specify the title of the new plan. Let's create a sample one here. Now add the associated relevant diagnosis codes with the care plan. You can search for the available ICD codes for selection. Click Select Date to set the start date for the care plan. Click here to access the status options for the care plan. Click Active to mark the care plan as currently active. Click here to view the list of providers associated with the care plan. You can assign any provider to the care plan. Now you need to add the description for the care plan. Let's fill a sample goal here. Click Target Outcome to define the expected results of the care plan. Fill reducing breathing to describe the desired health improvement. Click Select Date to set the target date for achieving the outcome. Click here to view available providers for assignment. You can assign a provider to the goal by clicking here. Click Create Care Plan to save and activate the new care plan. To delete or view the care plan, please click here to find the available options. This demo highlights how Vozo Health enables you to efficiently create and manage personalized care plans, improving patient outcomes through streamlined workflows. Start using Vozo Health today to enhance your care management process.